Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DCH273 Type 2 Dewalt SDS machine. It works, but it doesn't sound too good and it's not hammering. So I'm going to get it open to see what's going on with it. So now we've got inside, I'm going to show you what's wrong. I'll lift this out first. That needs a bit of attention. That is actually stuck. That's actually supposed to be moving. And as a result, it broke this little connecting rod. This part and this part should be one piece. See, they go together. So that's what's wrong. It broke the connecting rod, but it broke it because that striker, that seized. So that's what's wrong with this. This is quite a simple fix. What we'll have to do is replace the connecting rod and grease up this this hammer. So my first step is probably trying to get this out of here, which mightn't be that easy. There it is. Yep, there's no resistance. That O-ring is completely, look at that O-ring. That O-ring's actually broken. So that needs replaced. Definitely. That's completely snapped. So we need to grease this shaft here, and we need to grease inside of that and replace the O-ring. That's dry as well. Yep. So that's how you service the hammer. I'm just going to show you now. Have a second hand fresher one of these, so I'm just going to use it and we'll discard that one. That one would do if we hadn't got a spare one, but I like this one. Seems in good condition. And also we have a brand new O-ring for this, so we're going to replace that too. This is some Bosch grease that I have. I like using this. This is the real good stuff. That's that out anyway. That one back in. And so here we are, everything's greased up, the hammer's been serviced, and this part has been replaced, and this O-ring has also been replaced as part of the hammer service. So we're going to just put it together and give her a go, but that should sort everything out. So here we are. I've reassembled her. We're all back together, ready to go, and we're going to test it out to see. We weren't hammering, so we'll start off in the drill mode, or in the drill mode. Hear the hammer, that harder sound, and last but not least, chisel mode, hammering away. So I'm calling that fixed. Today I've got this DCE 580 Type 1. This is the old model caulking gun from Dewalt. This one has an issue. I'll just open it to show you what it is. You can nearly spot it by now. This part should be attached to the other end of this part. The guy that owns this told me the screw was missing. The screw that holds this onto this. But lucky enough, I went to look for the screw online, and you can buy the screw on its own, this part here, but I decided to put the whole kit on it. This whole kit is available for less than £20. The part number is 659569-00. It's a full service kit for this here. So first and foremost, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to push this out. That's a lovely sound. There we are. I think I'm doing the right thing, because that O-ring could not be in good condition. Look at that. No, I think I'm doing the right thing, replacing the kit. So getting up close and personal with this kit, I'm going to show you what we've got for that small sum of money. Yeah, look at this. Whole pile of instructions, look at that. Whole pile of madness. Aside from those ever so enlightening instructions, we have the plastic piece, a screw, not one O-ring but two O-rings, and some lubricant. So that's all very nice, but there's something I have to do before I start even fitting this, I think. The actual tube itself, if I look down there, it looks fairly suboptimal in there. I think I'm going to have to clean that tube before I do any more. There's residue and there's rubber and there's all sorts of things. So here we are. I'm going to give it a blast with electrical contact cleaner. It helps. It's not perfect, but that's probably as clean as it's going to get, you know. Probably give it a little blow out with a airline. Let's go with the kit again. Bit of lubricant here now, see if we can get it open. There we are. Put one of these O-rings on. Might as well use it all. And we still have an O-ring left over. Yep, All's good. Well, today we've got the 6 amp flex volt. It's showing 1 bar. If you put it in charge, you get absolutely nothing. If you have one of these flex volts that's doing that, there's one thing you can do. And that's what I'm doing now, is pulling the sides off and checking the connections. Screws out, pull the side off here, and you can see right away. So here you are, look at that, that's a broken connection. That one's okay, that one's okay. These are designed to burn out like fuses in the event of an overload. There's another one on the other side I must check, so I'll have to get the side off here again. One of these screws I'd have to drill out, but I'm going to avoid it, I think, by just having a quick look on here. You see that connection there? As you can see, that's intact. That's not burnt out. So we can put that side back on again. So that side's back on again. I'm just going to take a look at this again. You can join that together with a bit of strip, but I think because of the way it's burnt, the way it's broke, I think a wee tack of solder will do no harm. That's all there is to it. Just get the side pop back on and we'll be back in business. If that doesn't work, which we'll find out in a moment, it can be some of the other things that are more complicated things, let's say it like that. Thermal fuses, resistors, and it might not be worth looking into that unless you're very, very technically gifted. Let's hope this quick fix is done for us. So just bang it on the charge to see. And we got a charging light. So let's leave that on a while and see if it does the job for us. Some time has passed now with a solid red light, that's what we're waiting on. And more importantly, we've got 3 bars. So that's excellent. And when you're working these dual voltage things, you have to make sure that they're going on both 18 volt and 54. CF887 Dewalt impact driver's got an issue. Bit stuck in the chuck that won't come out, broke off. That's a very common issue that people experience with these things, and I'm going to show you how to get that out. So I intend to be detailed and precise as it can be. So we're up as close as we can go, just to show you. What I'm going to do is take apart the chuck here. There you are, look. Just get underneath it and pull it up. That's got it. That's got it.